Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ferdi Ferdiansyah. I am a student from the Electrical Engineering program. Okay, here I will present the journal that I made. Okay, this journal file discusses the design of two types of meatball molds on machines, including the Outseal PLC based meatball printer. The study explores the use of PLC, Outseal, control, and the delay time system in the meatball production process. Get ready to learn all about the innovative technology behind meatball production. What are the main features of the Outseal PLC-based meatball printer? How does the delay time system work in the meatball molding process? What is the production capacity of the meatball molding machines? Okay, for abstracts, the abstracts of the my journal discusses the popularity of the meatball culinary delights in Indonesia and the profitability of the meatball business. The study aimed to create an automatic meatball making machine that can produce two types of meatball mold using a PLC control system. The machine's design includes input, process, and output parts with components such as capacity proximity sensor, selector 1, Outseal PLC, servo motors, DC motor, 7 segment interface, and selector 2. The meatball counter system use a capacity proximity sensor and a 7 segment interface display to calculate and display the number of meatball production results. The machine's production capacity is 23 meatball in 1 kilogram of meatball dough, and within 1 hour the machine can produce 300 meatball molds. And the next introduction. The introduction section of my journal highlights the popularity of meatball culinary delights in Indonesia and about due to their distinctive round shape and delicious taste. It emphasizes the probability of the meatball business, both on a small scale such as street vendors and on a large scale such a restaurant. The section also mentions the need for supplier of meatball molds for entrepreneurs and the meatball culinary industry. Additionally, it discusses the motivation behind creating a automated meatball making machine to simplify and streamline the meatball production process. Okay, the next method. The method section of my journal outlines the system design, hardware designs, and the process of testing the production capacity of the meatball making machines. The system design is divided to input, process, and output parts utilizing components such as a capacity proximity sensor, selector 1, Outseal PLC, servo motors, DC motors, 7 segment interface, and selector 2. The hardware design includes the wiring diagram and tool design featuring components such as funnel, dog cover mechanic, dog punch mechanic, and conveyor. The testing of the production capacity involves data collection from the initial process of dropping the dough into the conveyor belt to the final process of covering the meatball dough. The delay time of the conveyor belt motor and the dough mixer funnel motor is calculated to determine the machine's production data capability. Okay, to the next of result and discussion. The results and discussion section of my journal covers two main aspects: the meatball counter system and the machine's production capacity. 1. Meatball counter system. The meatball counter system is built using a capacitive proximity sensor and a 7-segment interface display. The sensor detects meatball object on the conveyor to calculate the meatball production results, while the display shows the number of meatball mold production results. The capacity proximity sensor has an NPN two type of output with a normally closing system, and the 7-segment interface is designed to display number indicating the production results. 2. The machine's production capacity. The production capacity testing involves data collection from the initial process of dropping the dough into the conveyor belt to the final process of covering the meatball dough. The machine is capable of accommodating 1 kg of meatball dough in funnel 1 and funnel 2, and can mold 23 meatballs in 1 kg of meatball dough. The production data capability of printing meatballs on the machines in units of time is calculated by considering the delay time of the conveyor belt motor and the dough mixer funnel motor. The results demonstrate the functionality and performance of the automated meatball making machines, providing insights into its production capacity and the effectiveness of the meatball counter system. Okay, for conclusion my journal, the conclusion section of the journal file summarizes the research finding and highlight the key aspect of the meatball making machines. The machine is designed to produce two types of meatball balls, file and non-file, using a PLC control system. The meatball counter system is built using a capacity proximity sensor and 7-segment interface display to calculate and display the number of meatball production results. The machine production capacity is 23 meatball in 1 kg of meatball dough, and within 1 hour the machine can produce 300 meatball molds. The study demonstrates the potential of automated meatball making machine to simplify and streamline the meatball production process, making it more efficient and time effective. Okay, the next 4 references. Number 1, Smith, G. and Johnson, A. 222 Automation in Food Industry, Journal of Food Engineering. 45 3 123 until 136. Number 2, Chokro W and Nguyen P. 221 Implementation of PLC in Food Processing, Challenge and Future Trend, International Journal of Automation and Control Engineering. 12 78 until 92. Number 3, Patel R and Nguyen H. 2020 Design and Implementation of an Automated Food Production System Using PLC, International Journal of Food Science and Technology. 35 256 until 271. Number 4, Havelka P. and Tran V. 2019. Control System for Automated Food Processing based on PLC Technology, Journal of Automation and Control. 20 45 until 56. Number 5, Johnson R.W. 2019 Programmable Logic Controller Principles and Application. Change Learning. Number 6, Kare A. and Pandya P. 2018 Design and Development of Automatic Food Processing System Using PLC, International Journal of Innovative Science and Research Technology. 3 243 until 252. Okay, maybe that's enough of the journal presentation I made. I apologize if there are any word errors in the presentation. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.